While we're waiting for our cucumbers and our chicken to finish marinating, we're going to start in on our rice. So we're going to be toasting coconut. So I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And then I'm going to take our small saucepan and I'm going to measure out 2 cups of water. Bring this back here. I'm going to turn our front burner on to about 8. And then I'm going to scoop out a tablespoon of our vegetable stock. See, it's very thick, and that's why we're doing the water first, because it's easier to stir and bang this on the water rather than to try and get it off while it's dry. All right, when it does come off, it comes off in a ball, so we're just going to go ahead and stir and smash this to help it break up.